In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your grades on Google Classroom. Whether you're a student eager to see how you did on your recent assignment, or a parent keeping track of your child's academic progress, Google Classroom offers a straightforward way to stay up to date with grades. Let's dive in and make sure you're comfortable navigating this feature. First things first, you'll want to access your Google Classroom. This is your launching pad for everything related to your coursework, including your grades. If you're not familiar with how to get there, don't worry, it's quite simple. Open your preferred web browser and go to the URL classroom.google.com/he. If you're not already signed in, Google will prompt you to log in with your Google account. This is usually your school-issued email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of Google Classroom, where you can see all your classes listed. Each class is represented by a tile, showing the class name, the teacher, and possibly some upcoming assignments. Now to the matter at hand, checking your grades, look for a tab or an option labelled Grades on the main dashboard. The interface of Google Classroom is user-friendly, so locating the grades section shouldn't be too tricky. However, the exact location might vary slightly depending on any updates or changes to the classroom layout. Typically, you can find the grades option on the left-hand side of the screen, or within the specific class you're interested in. Once you've clicked on grades, you'll be directed to a new page within Google Classroom that is dedicated to just that, your grades. This page is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your academic performance in the class. Here you'll be able to see a list of all your assignments along with the grades you've received for each one. The layout is intended to be intuitive, showing each assignment's title, due date, and the points you've earned out of the total points possible. If you're curious about a specific assignment and how you did, you can usually click on the assignment title for more details. This can offer insights into any comments or feedback your teacher may have left for you, which is incredibly beneficial for your learning and improvement. Knowing where you've made mistakes or what you've done exceptionally well can help you focus your efforts more effectively in the future. A tip to keep in mind while navigating your grades is the importance of staying organized and proactive. Regularly checking your grades can help you catch any discrepancies early on, as well as give you a realistic view of your progress in the course. If you notice any issues or have questions about a particular grade, don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher. Open communication is key to resolving any misunderstandings or errors, and can also build a positive relationship with your instructors. Additionally, Google Classroom often allows for a bit of personal customization. So, if you're finding it hard to track your performance over time, look into ways to organize your grades or assignments in a manner that suits you best. Whether it's sorting by due date, assignment type, or any other criteria, being able to view your academic progress in a way that makes sense to you can be incredibly empowering. In conclusion, checking your grades on Google Classroom is a straightforward process that can tremendously impact your academic journey. By navigating to your classroom, selecting the Grades tab, and familiarizing yourself with the Grades page, you'll be well on your way to staying informed about your performance. Remember, your grades are a reflection of your hard work and dedication, and Google Classroom is there to ensure this information is readily available and easy to understand. Keep up the great work, stay curious, and never hesitate to seek clarity on your academic progress.